In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent paragraph in Microsoft Word. If you've ever wanted your text to start a little further in from the left margin, this is exactly what you need. Indenting makes documents easier to skim, helps separate sections, and keeps things looking tidy, and the fastest way to do it is with one simple keyboard shortcut. First, place your cursor anywhere inside the paragraph you want to indent. It doesn't matter if it's at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the paragraph. Word looks at the entire paragraph your cursor is in. Now press Ctrl plus M on your keyboard. You'll see the entire paragraph shift right, creating a clean left indent. That's it. No menus, no hunting through settings, just a quick shortcut that works instantly. If you want to indent more than one paragraph at the same time, highlight the text you want to move. You can click and drag across multiple paragraphs or select a block of text using your usual selection method. Once the relevant paragraphs are highlighted, press Ctrl plus M. Every paragraph in that selection will indent together and stay neatly aligned. This is great when you're formatting a list, a block quote, or multiple sections you want to emphasize consistently. And if you're working on a document where you want everything indented, you don't have to do it one paragraph at a time. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the content in your document. You'll see everything highlighted. Then press Ctrl plus M and the entire document will shift to the right with a uniform indent. This is a quick way to apply a consistent look across all your text. A couple of helpful notes as you work. Indenting with Ctrl plus M adjusts the paragraph's left indent. It doesn't insert tab characters, so your formatting stays clean and easy to edit later. If you change your mind or indent the wrong section, use Ctrl plus Z to undo right away. And remember, the shortcut applies to the paragraph or paragraphs currently selected or containing your cursor, so always check what's highlighted before you press the keys. That's all you need to indent paragraphs in Microsoft Word quickly and reliably. Place your cursor, press Ctrl plus M, highlight if you need to apply it to more text, or select all with Ctrl plus A to indent everything. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting.